Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A13 smartphone. In this video you will learn how you can change font size and font style in your phone Samsung Galaxy A13. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here and select display. Select display. Now click on font size and style. Here select font size. Just move this cursor to the right side for increasing font size. This is very large size. You can check it by going to the home screen and go to settings icon and see the text size. It is very large size. Font size has been increased very largely. If you want to decrease the font size, again you go to choose font size and style from the display settings and select font size and move the cursor to the left side. If you move it to the left side, font size will be gradually decreasing. The leftmost will be very small size. See the changes. Yes, font size is very small now. If you would like to set it to default font size, go to the display again and click on font size and style and choose in third position. This is the default font size. And if you would like to change font style, click on font style here and by default font style is showing at present, and if you want to change, just choose from the available options Samsung 1, then thick, bold. You can also download fonts from the internet. Click on download fonts and it will be connected to internet. You can download some free font style. You have to update Galaxy Store for that. Click on update and it be going. Just wait. So you can here download some font style from internet. Galaxy Store is installing now. Update is downloaded and it's installing. Just wait. Downloading the Galaxy Store, again it goes to download. The Galaxy Store will close automatically to apply the update. Open it again after update is complete. So just wait. It's installing. Just you got to wait. Yes. Now again click on download fonts. Click on font style, click on download fonts. Galaxy Store is being updated. Try again later. So update is still going on. And here you go to choose top free only. Only two font styles are available to download. Just select any one. Here I select Samsung Sans. Others are not free. Try it out. You have to sign in with your Samsung account for that. I sign in with my email ID. And it will ask my password, so I put it password. Yes, I have done, and I click on I agree. Click on accept. And now it is signing into account. Here also two-step verification shown. And you have to enter this code. After entering the code, you can able to download. So as of now, I skip this because I don't have that mobile in my hand. Again, I go to settings, display, font size and style. Here, I would like to change font style to default. In this way, you can easily change font size and font style in your phone Samsung Galaxy A13, A13. That's all, friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.